Ladies and gentlemen, once again, welcome to our channel. I hope that you're doing fine, and I hope that this video does find you in absolute good health. Thank you very much for supporting this channel. If you're my returning viewer, you can like this particular video, and if you're watching this channel for the first time, take a second or two, subscribe to our channel so that we can grow together, and whenever I'm doing such videos, you're always notified. Sasa, Daktari Fred Okengo Matiangi will be making his first public appearance tomorrow at the Gusii, where we'll be making his homecoming to the Gusii region. This after Team Fred Okengo Matiangi Secretariat yesterday released a press statement about that tour, and I want to read for you that statement that talks about the Fred Okengo Matiangi tour and where we'll be making particularly his first ever speech. And we expect that he's going to declare that he is going to run for the 2027 presidency for the first time. After a lot of criticism for his silencing. Now, this what is in that statement, and it reads: Team Matiangi Secretariat press release, and the reference is first public appearance of the former cabinet secretary Dr. Fred Okengo Matiangi. The Team Matiangi Secretariat, responsible for coordinating the engagement of our leader, Dr. Fred Okengo Matiangi, is pleased to inform the public that the former cabinet secretary will make his first public appearance this year in the Gusii region on Friday. That's on May 2nd, 2025. Dr. Matiangi will be accompanied by all elected leaders from the Gusii region, including Governor Simba Arati and Amos Nyaribo, Senator Mumaima Onyonga and Okongo Mogeni, this is the Senate of Nyamira, as well as members of parliament and members of the county assemblies. That's the county assemblies of Kisii and the county assemblies of Nyamira. The visit include a meet the people tour and official courtesy visit to the offices of the respective governors of Kisii and Nyamira counties. Key stoppers that's during the tour is Kijauri. Kijauri is the first place you meet when you are visiting Kisii. This is after you have just left Sotik and now you are entering Kisii. The Kijauri is the first stopover when you are from Nairobi and you're going to the Kisii region. That's Kijauri, Keroka, Keumbu, Kisii town, and Nyamira. The visit underscores Dr. Matiangi's commitment to listening to the people and reconnecting with the grassroots. Ladies and gentlemen, it is in this visit of Dr. Fred Okengo Matiangi, number one, he will be making the first ever public statements. Remember that Fred Okengo Matiangi a few weeks ago flew into the country, never addressed the press, just told them he will have another day to talk to them. But right now, he will be making his first statements and his first address to the people of the Gusii region in this homecoming tour. And it's a tour that we'll be waiting to see whether he will be declaring. He will be making that public declaration of running for presidency in the 2027 general election. Remember that Fred Okengo Matiangi formerly has been receiving a lot of criticism that he has not talked about his presidency, but rather people surrounding him are the ones who are making those statements. But this scenario or these statements or this information will be confirmed from him tomorrow, while he will be addressing people across the Gusii region. But also what we expect with Dr. Fred Okengo Matiangi's visit to Kisii is that maybe he will be having a meeting with the Gusii elders. That is the Gusii Council of Elders, who upon the consultation of the Gusii people will bless him now to move to other parts of the region, so the parts of the country, to seek votes from the entire nation, or to form a coalition with other principals from other parts of the country. And remember that Dr. Fred Okengo Matiangi is one of the key people who has been mentioned or has been pointed out for the 2027 presidency. And if in the opinion polls that I've been seeing online or anywhere, Fred Okengo Matiangi is among the best three candidates as we talk today who is suited for the presidency of 2027, and he has a huge following behind him. There are a lot of people supporting him. That's from the youths all the way to the older people. And also one thing we'll note in this Dr. Fred Okengo Matiangi. Remember that Dr. Okengo Matiangi comes from the Gusii community. The Gusii community has less than 1 million votes. It's for the first time in the Kenyan presidency we are seeing a small community fielding a stronger candidate to the presidency of the republic. Remember that for Dr. Okengo Matiangi, if it's his community, as election has been previously been considered, the community, the Gusii community in the 2022 general election had about 600,000 votes. That's from Kisii and Nyamira votes. And but what is in benefit of Dr. Fred Okengo Matiangi is that he is enjoying support across the country. That's all the way from the Mount Kenya region to the coastal region, and also even to the Nyanza region, the western regions. And that's what is making him even popular, because of the track record he left or he did during the times he served as CS at the Uhuru Kenyatta's presidency. And a lot of questions have been arising about his a lot of occasions during his tenure as CS. We'll be seeing how Dr. Fred Okengo Matiangi will be answering this, if he's going to address the media, and I expect that these questions are going to be asked. And lastly, ladies and gentlemen, is that on Sunday, there is that big expected match between Gor Mahia and Shabana FC that is going to be played, and Shabana is going to host Gor Mahia in the Gusii Stadium, and it's a match that is going to attract over 25,000 people, because previously the Gusii in the Shabana matches have attracted over about 10,000 to 15,000 people. But on Sunday, because this is a very big match and a lot of people, and the way it has been hyped, we expect that the Gusii Stadium is going to host over 20,000 people who are going to watch this match. Should Okengo Matiangi make also his appearance in that stadium, it's going to also excite that stadium, and a lot of people are going to celebrate his appearance if he's going to attend that Shabana match, because it's a match that is going to bring a lot of people together, and especially the youth and the Gen Z from the Gusii region and the rural Nyanza region, because this is where these two teams enjoy a huge support base. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all I have for you for the Fred Okengo Matiangi visit to the Gusii homecoming tour that will be happening tomorrow at about from 10. I'll be following and I'll be informing you, so that's important that you subscribe to this channel, like this video, so that whenever I drop that information on that video, you'll always get notified. But also another thing to note that before Fred Okengo Matiangi makes this appearance in the Gusii region, he had early met the what we call the opposition principals. That's Rigathi Gachagua, and we saw the image, the photos that came out, the meeting with Rigathi Gachagua, Kalonzo Musyoka, Eugene Wamalwa, Martha Karua, and other principals, just to do a closed-door meeting and maybe to talk about his ambitions, and including in the opposition that we saw also Linturi and JB Muturi attend that meeting for the first time. So we'll be waiting to hear from Dr. Fred Okengo Matiangi tomorrow for the first ever time since his arrival in the country, and he will be doing this in the Gusii region. That's from Kijauri, Keroka, Keumbu, Kisii, and he will rather be going to the Nyamira and far extension to the Ekerenyo, that's parts of Nyamira region. Ladies and gentlemen, you can tell me about the Fred Okengo Matiangi visit the Gusii region. Remember that Fred Okengo Matiangi has been attacked for his silence for a very long time, but in politics, silence is equally a weapon. So the silence has been causing a lot of tension in the opponent side, but we'll be hearing what he'll be saying come tomorrow. Others, ladies and gentlemen, stay safe wherever you are. Be well and enjoy your weekend ahead, and happy holidays ahead. Have a nice day, ladies and gentlemen, and be safe.